Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable a scroll to open Copilot feature in Bing search. Microsoft is adding new Copilot features to Bing search to enable AI-powered responses and assistants directly within the search page. A scroll to open Copilot is a feature that allows you to quickly open Microsoft Copilot, formerly known as Bing Chat. When you scroll or swipe up at the top of the search results while using Bing.com on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. For instance, I have opened Google Chrome browser and I visited Bing.com and now I will search for Windows 11, and when I will scroll up you will see and AI responses to enable or disable this one. AI responses in Bing.com. Search anything in Bing. After that, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and then you will find here a scroll to open Copilot option. To enable, just turn on this one toggle switch, and in case you don't need this one AI responses from Bing, just turn off this one toggle switch. Now whenever you will search for anything under Bing, you will not see AI responses while scroll up on your PC. Like this, I have searched for Windows 11 again, and when I scroll up, it does not open AI responses on my PC. That's all about this video.